First open Task Manager. And all Valorant and Riot game processor. Open Start and type Run. Type Services. MSC. Locate VGC services. Right-click it and select Properties. In Startup type select Automatic. Press Apply and OK. Now start the services. Now close the windows. If that didn't work, open a folder. Go to C. Open Riot Games. Open Valorant. Open Live. Open your shooter game folder. Open Binaries. Open Win64. Right-click your Valorant executive and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Select Disable Full Screen Optimization. Select Run this program as administration. Press Apply and OK.